The Munchkin registered trademark sponge trademark bottle brush is a must-have tool for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient cleaning solution for bottles and dishes. With over 10 years of experience in the market, Munchkin has developed a reputation for delivering high-quality baby products, and the sponge trademark bottle brush is no exception. The sleek green design of this brush makes it visually appealing and stands out among other cleaning tools. The handle is made of sturdy plastic and rubber, providing a comfortable and secure grip during use. This feature ensures that you have full control and maneuverability while cleaning your bottles and dishes. What sets the Munchkin registered trademark sponge trademark bottle brush apart is its versatility. Not only can it effectively clean bottles, but it is also designed to be used in dishwashers. This feature is highly convenient for busy parents who need to clean multiple bottles at once or have limited time for manual washing. With the Munchkin registered trademark sponge trademark bottle brush, you can confidently